Ready to skyrocket your Google Merchant Center listings and watch those sales soar? Let's integrate customer reviews to build trust and boost your visibility. First, log into your Google Merchant Center account. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in, find the Growth tab in the left-hand navigation menu and click on it. Under the Growth section, you'll see an option labeled Product Reviews. Click on that to access the Product Reviews interface. Now, Google needs to know where your reviews are coming from. You'll see a few options here. You can either directly upload a reviews feed or connect through a third-party review platform like KevinHowTo, Bazaarvis, or Trustpilot. Select the method that suits your business. If you're uploading a feed, make sure it's in the correct XML or CSV format and adheres to Google's specifications. Double-check that the product IDs in your feed match the IDs in your product data feed. For third-party platforms, follow the on-screen instructions to link your accounts. This usually involves authorizing Google to access your review data. After setup, head over to the Diagnostics tab to monitor the health of your reviews. Integration here, you can identify and fix any errors Google detects in your feed or connection. Pay close attention to warnings and disapprovals. Once everything is set up correctly, your product listings will proudly display star ratings and review counts. This builds trust, improves click-through rates, and ultimately drives more sales. Happy selling!